Hello and assalamu alaikum. My name is Vakisha and this is Lab 8 simulation. So first task over here we have is the control of brightness of LEDs. So in this task we have a limitation in simulation, that is in Proteus we cannot see the brightness or dullness of LEDs. We only see the bright and off LEDs. So this is a potentiometer. It has a range. After that, when the resistance will increase, LEDs will itself shut down or switch off. So I can only show you that this is when LEDs switch off, and if I decrease the resistance, the LEDs switch on. So you will see its program or code. It's like so over here we have AVR microcontroller library. So standard library, we have 16 megahertz clock signal. We have delay library called over here. We have int main function. We have this two output ports, B and D, and we have made ADC enable and select clock 128. So we have this use timers library. So ADC library, so register, sorry. So we have this ADC pin, analog to digital pin, and then we have this conversion over here. Then we wait for conversion to finish over here. You give it a low byte to port D in this command, that is port D ADCL, and give a hide command to this port B. So in this way this code runs or functions itself. So if we move on towards our next task, that was of LM35, we will use for temperature measuring. And if I show you simulation over here, so the simulation will run shortly. So you can see that if the temperature over here is 20 degrees Celsius, so it's showing me 20 now. So it's updating itself continuously. So if I increase to 21, you will see the 21 Celsius is being shown. At 22, it will show me 22 shortly. You can see 22. And on if I decrease it 22, 21, 20. So in this way it runs. So if I show you its program over here, so you can see that we have AVR standard library, input output library, we have this delay library, we have clock signal, we are using this LCD. In main we have LCD in main init initialize function calling from LCD 3228p library. So we have this variable v and value char character. We have DDRC making port C as the input port. We have ADMUX channel select 85 ADC5 AVCC with external capacitor at AREF pin, and over here we have enable ADC and ADC conversion interrupt activated at clock 128. So over here we have display temperature, and in this command we are starting conversion, and over here we are calling the ADIF flag clear. So over here that we have ADC conversion of V over 9.3 for the temperature, and then we have display of Celsius over here, and because in where we are displaying temperature, and between this conversion happens, and we display the value of that conversion, and after that we display the Celsius, and then the LCD clears itself, and then this function loop continues again and again. So that was it from this lab. Thank you for watching the video.